brother. So by the way, you talk about like I love to reading a book. So can you show me your books? Like
Yeah, I can show you
what kind of books
now.
you have?
This,
Share me. Mhm.
yeah, this book is Rapidex English.
Okay, rapid English speaking course. Wow, that's great. So can you tell me about what you like, about description,
This book
about,
is
any
very. This book is very beneficial for me. Now, can you first day you can greeting. First, this is book is very. Now you can see.
okay. Yeah, I think yes, I think what happened. Like this book we can say 30 days to 60 days challenges. Am I right?
Yeah, but this
And,
book is 60
okay.
days and
Yes.
many lot of convocation. Now can you see this
Oh, I
many convocation, only
okay.
convocation. This is very.
So, brother, like who suggests you like the buy to this book? Who suggests you?
Ari photo. Now I think Ari photo this
Oh,
always
Arif.
recommend this book.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. This book is very nice and very beneficial for me.
Mhm.
Now,
Oh, I see. That's great. So right
first
now, in today, like how many lesson you learn, where you are, you know,
I am just lesson 16. 16
16
lesson.
feet over there. Okay. So what
Yeah.
was that? What was theory over there about 1611? What was that? Like any grammar,
You
any
know,
like conversation,
yeah.
any? Yeah, tell me.
First of all, इसमें is am are use of then after will be and then after will shall hell be can could modals and man this book is many convocation.
Do
You
you know
know,
like what do you mean by is mr and could and can and like was where how do we call these things, what we call these things?
they first of all because इसमें 5 days 4 days. First of all, a
Uh-huh.
greeting. This book is
Mhm.
common first and greeting. Then after 5 days is start first present tense related of present tense is
Mhm.
MR. Then
Okay.
after and past tense and future tense and many only this book is very beneficial book because mm, convocation is lot of.
Oh, I see. Okay. So I'm going to talk about this book, brother. Like I think book name is like Rapid English Co Speaking Books. Am I right? Okay. A little bit I heard about, I read that like a rapid speaking English course. Yeah, this is fantastic, bro. Over there, we can say like, everything like helping verb, present tense, grammar part also
Yeah,
available, later writing also available, easy also available, conversation also available. So this is
yes,
fantastic books about learning English language, brother.
yeah,
Here like 16-day challenges like per day. If you interest, then you try to finish a per chapter every day. Just take a challenge and read a one chapter, then again tomorrow start another chapter, then after tomorrow start another chapter. So if you try to learn honestly, brother, if you try to give 100% about this book, definitely you will learn English language. Because it's a long time ago I was also reading this book, brother, and I learn from there. We can see many things about vocabulary, about conversation, about new phrases, new idioms, and a little bit grammar part also. And it's very important, brother. Over there, we can say conversation also. It's available like
yeah,
doctor versus patient, patient versus doctor, like that. A
yeah,
sentence. It's a over there clarification. It's a simple language they mention over there. So I
yeah,
love this, brother. I love this. Even
yeah,
Arif Ato, he suggests you. So he is great person. That's why. And right now, if you talk about his English level, it's a upper. Then we can say he to advanced level. So fantastic. He suggests you fantastic, brother. So just keep going, learn more and more. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, because this book, brother, seriously, it's gonna help for improvement. It's gonna help for learning English language. You can learn. especially whoever beginner. So those people try to read this kind of book. So I appreciate you. Just
Yeah.
continue. Just learn it.
You know, I'm just 2 weeks ago I start learning English,
Okay.
and
Ah,
with I'm watching on YouTube video convocation lot of,
okay. Okay.
and I'm trying to understand convocation and trying to speak someone. That's why I'm
Okay.
able to little bit able to understand and little will speak English.
I see. That's good, brother. So we can say like
But
only for you. I mean,
yeah,
you just try
I
to
am
read this
I am
book.
inspired for you. You know,
Yes.
I'm inspired for you.
Oh my God.
Your
Really, brother?
video is very
Eh. Okay. Thank you very much
beneficial
for
to me,
complimenting me,
and
brother.
many people learn through your video.
Oh, I see.
You are very great job doing.
Thank you very much, brother, because you are supporting me. That's why reason I'm trying to make a new video. Always I
Yeah,
try to easy video, brother. I do not make a complicated video. Always I try to easy way and understanding and clarify video, we can say. For example, right now I'm talking with you. So always I try to conversation like casual conversation, brother. Casual means like people understand what I'm trying to tell, what's my story, what's my point. So that's why we can learn this thing, brother. You know?
yeah. You should make video daily, and daily 1 and 2 video you should, because a convocation video is very helpful learning English. You know,
Thank you, brother.
I am
Definitely, inshallah, I will try to
only
make lots of video.
through
Okay.
convocation able to
Yes.
speak English, and I understand some. You know, whenever I'm trying to watch on YouTube video related of English, American accent.
Okay.
That time I am unable to understand some
Yeah.
sentences, many sentences. You know, right words I am not understand. But whenever I watch on YouTube video convocation and Indian movies, I am able to understand. I am able to understand, but you know, accent American video is very.
Yeah. It's a little bit complicated. I understand. I know that, like, what's you're trying to tell you. Okay, that's great. So, brother, I want to discuss about your books. Books. Can you tell? Can you introduce your books like about brief? Can you tell me about clarify your books, because it's I want to know that, like, what kind of what's feature, and what about can you show me your like subtitle name, then I'll clarify. Can you show me a subtitle
Yeah.
like list? No, no, not this subtitle, like in the inbox subtitle. Yeah. So we will see, like, yeah, just turn on page again, turn on page. I want to excited
Yeah.
to
Now you
read
can
this.
you know. mm, First of all, first day you now you can see first day.
Okay, this is challenge like first day. This is challenge to read like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like that. Oh my God, fantastic book, brother. Seriously,
Now you
whoever
can
read,
see.
always I
I think
recommended him
you
to
will
read
be
it. Yes,
able
yes,
to.
yes. Yeah, I can
You
see.
can
I can
see.
see. Like here is a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like that. This is first chapter, and it's amazing, brother.
And
Especially beginner.
second, you can see many convocation available this book in this book.
Yeah,
Now you
right,
can
right.
see
Can see little bit. Yes.
only convocation.
Okay. Oh my
This
God.
book is
Lots,
very
lots of vocabulary here. Lots
good
of
and
new word here.
beneficial for me.
Okay. Thank you very much, brother, for sharing with me about your book series. So I was talking about like this is perfect book, brother, for beginner,
Yeah.
like whoever learning English language. So if they try to chase this book, brother, definitely those people will like literally improve, because I heard about even one of my friend, he was also had this same books. So he learned many things. That's why reason I know little bit about this book, brother. This
Yeah.
is gonna help for beginner. I am happy with you. Finally, you purchase.
Yeah,
Yeah,
na,
tell me.
this book is very helpful of beginner, and I am also
Yes,
beginner,
yes.
but this is book is
Yeah.
very helpful for me and for beginner.
So, brother, like, can you tell me like how much rupees you purchase about this book? Like, how much rupees? How much
Now you
price?
can see book price 235.
Oh my God, 235. This is very small amount. We can say like everyone can afford this book. It's like less
Yeah,
price and beneficial for more. So
yeah.
always
You
I
know,
recommend it of people whoever beginner, please purchase this book.
yeah.
Definitely you can improve communication, you can improve English language, perfect English language. This is my
Easily.
opinion.
Yeah,
Always I suggest you please purchase, guys. Whoever watching our video,
yeah.
always I
I am
suggest.
also. Please purchase this book. This book is very beneficial for
Mhm.
me, for our, for beginner.
Okay.
Now,
So, brother, please show me a
many
proper
people.
way. Please show me proper way like that. Please show me proper way. Then my audience will help. Yeah. Rapid English speaking course. Okay, that's great. And show me backside. Show me backside.
Now you can see.
Okay, it's perfect. Okay. Enough. Okay, okay, no problem.
Many
That's great.
people, many people using Cambly. You know,
Okay.
Cambly is very expensive,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
1 month I think 5,000.
6,000 rupees. Depend on your plan,
6,000.
brother.
Yeah,
Depend on
6,000.
plan.
Only, yeah, you know, only 1 day 15 minutes.
Yeah, only 15 minutes. That's it.
Only
And we
15 minutes.
understand no anyone learn a within of 15 minutes, we can say
15
like.
minutes. Yeah,
Yeah.
you are
So
right,
it's
bro.
this is we can say like brother another thing by we can say like Camry is so expensive, and this is another thing. This is not beginner for Camry, but if you talk about this book, brother, seriously, I'm
Yeah,
happy with you, and finally I got something new. Like you show me finally, like
yeah,
whoever beginner. So always I recommend it. Please buy this book. Please purchase this book
yeah,
and get a benefit. Maybe it's gonna work about wording, about grammar
yeah.
part, about conversation, about it's everything story also here, I think. Am I right? Like later easy and some
Later,
kind of like biopic also. Yeah.
yeah, this book is very, I think, very, very, very beneficial for me because I learn English through book very easily, and I am I am only not through, but this book is very important. You know,
Yes,
you
yes.
can learn English easily, and I recommend this book. This
Okay,
book
okay,
is
that's
very helpful for me.
yeah. Thank you very much, brother, for suggesting me. Thank you very much for showing your books, your secret. So I think my audience will like this book. I think that's great, brother. That's